Hi everyone, it's Adelie, and today I'm doing my first unboxing video, which is actually my first non-cover video over the past 10 years. And yes, I did just age myself. And the reason why I made this purchase is because I'm a fan of Blackpink. Jennie Kim is my bias, and she released a collection with Gentle Monster. I definitely had to get my hands on a pair. It wasn't easy. It was released 12 p.m. Korean time, and it was 8 p.m. in California. Within a few minutes, the website crashed and didn't really go back up until 3 hours later. So I had actually gotten it in my cart, but it just kept going back and forth. But again, 3 hours later, I was able to get it, and I'm excited. So here we are. I'm gonna open it. As I was reviewing and editing this video, I did notice that this portion was completely out of focus. I apologize for that. Obviously you can tell I'm new to this, but I hope you continue watching. The name of Jennie's collection is called Gentle Home, which gets its inspiration from Jennie's childhood dollhouses that she used to play with when she was younger. The collection features 4 pairs of glasses and 3 eyewear chains. One of the glasses is called 1996, the year that Jennie was born, and they are rectangular sunglasses and a bit smaller. It comes with 3 colors. Another one she has is called Daisy. They're rimless glasses, they're kind of rectangular shaped frames, and again they also come in 3 colors. And then there's In the Mood, which are round metal framed glasses, and those are actually the ones that I hope to get next. And then of course we have the ones that I'm unboxing today, called Cuckoo, inspired by everyone's favorite it dog Kuma, which is Jennie's Pomeranian. They're square frames, oversized sunglasses, and they can come in 3 colors. I got color black because it's, classic look. And yeah. You can actually check out the whole collection in the link in my description below. Enjoy the rest of the video. And that's the end of this video. Do they look good on me? Let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Feel free to follow me on my socials as well. Bye!